Thursday, June 18th, 3 p.m. Pacific. Today's biggest check goes to Odyssey, locking in a massive $310 million Series B at a $1.45 billion post-money valuation. The deal machine printed 10 rounds today, totaling over $1 billion in fresh capital. We'll break down the top 10 deals, from AI world models to quantum computing and the fintech infrastructure for private markets. I'm your host. With me are our world and markets correspondents. Let's get to the numbers. Here's the snapshot for Thursday. Disclosed funding hit $1.04 billion across 10 rounds. The largest was Odyssey's $310 million Series B, led by Natural Capital. AI was the hottest category, accounting for 6 of the top 10 deals. No notable IPO or M&A news today. The story of the day is the massive investment in AI's ability to understand and predict the physical world, with world model startups Odyssey and General Intuition raising a combined $610 million. This signals a major new front in AI development. Simulation.
Kicking off the top 10 is Odyssey with its $310 million Series B. The company develops AI world models that create multimodal simulations of real-world environments. This funding makes Odyssey one of the most well-capitalized players in this emerging field, aiming for a GPT-3 moment for world simulation AI. The deal also names AWS as the preferred cloud provider, a critical strategic partnership that secures the massive compute resources needed for training these complex models. This isn't just about prediction, it's about creating digital twins of reality. Right behind at number 2 is General Intuition, raising a staggering $300 million Series A at a $2 billion valuation. Spun out of gaming platform Metal just 8 months ago, the company builds AI agents capable of spatial and temporal reasoning. Their secret sauce, a massive proprietary dataset of interactive video game footage. The investor list is a who's who of tech, including Jeff Bezos, Eric Schmidt, Khosla Ventures, and General Catalyst. This rapid, massive funding highlights the immense premium being placed on unique, high-quality data for training embodied AI.
Shifting to fintech, at number 3 is Chronograph, securing $140 million in a late-stage round led by 6th Street Growth. The company provides a software platform for private capital investors to monitor portfolios, manage reporting, and conduct diligence. As private market allocations continue to swell, the demand for sophisticated data management tools is exploding. This growth equity will fuel the expansion of Chronograph's AI product suite and help launch a new platform specifically for the booming private credit market. It's the plumbing for the private capital world.
At number 4, a major bet on the future of computing. Atom Computing has raised a $100 million Series C led by Third Point Ventures. They develop neutral atom quantum computers to solve problems far beyond the reach of classical machines. This funding is amplified by a $100 million letter of intent from the U.S. Department of Commerce under the CHIPS Act. This public-private partnership is designed to accelerate the development of utility-scale quantum computers, a technology at the heart of strategic national competition. It's a race for computational supremacy.
Number 5 is Richard Roths Media, raising $52 million in a venture round from GGC Capital Investment. This appears to be the company's first major institutional funding. They operate an AI-driven marketing and advertising platform specifically for regulated, high-trust industries like banking, law, and healthcare. In these sectors, compliance and precision are non-negotiable. The capital is aimed at scaling this specialized platform, betting that a vertical-specific AI approach can win against horizontal marketing giants by guaranteeing accuracy and adherence to strict rules.
At number 6, Bland AI secures a $50 million Series C led by Dell Technologies Capital. The company develops a voice AI platform to automate complex and high-stakes phone conversations for enterprises. Their key differentiator is a proprietary in-house stack of voice models. This is a direct challenge to competitors who simply wrap third-party APIs. Having handled over 175 million AI phone calls last year, this funding validates their full-stack approach, which offers greater reliability and control, especially crucial for clients in regulated industries.
Number 7 brings us back to fintech with Interchecks, raising its own $50 million Series C. The company provides instant payment infrastructure for businesses. Notably, they've been profitable since 2023 and have already processed over $50 billion in transactions. This funding isn't for survival, it's for evolution. The capital will enable Interchecks to expand from a payouts-only service to a full-stack money movement platform, handling both pay-ins and payouts. This is a crucial move as real-time payments become the default expectation for businesses and consumers alike.
Rounding out the list, 2 more AI plays. At number 8, Pramana Labs lands a large 27 million seed round from Khosla Ventures to tackle AI's reliability problem. They use formal verification to provide mathematical certainty for AI outputs, aiming to eliminate hallucinations in high-stakes fields like law and drug discovery. And at number 9, Cargify raises an 11 million Series A. They're positioning themselves as an AI infrastructure company for logistics, allowing clients to hire digital workers to automate freight operations.
Finally, at number 10, Copperlane, an AI-native mortgage startup, closes a $4.1 million seed round, including Y Combinator, to automate the document-heavy mortgage process. This leads to our one thing to watch, the rise of the AI proof layer. Pramana Labs' $27 million seed round highlights a critical emerging category. As enterprises move from experimenting to deploying AI in regulated environments, the demand for a verification layer that can guarantee accuracy and eliminate hallucinations will surge. Watch for AI reliability to become a non-negotiable feature.
That's the top 10 for Thursday. The massive checks for Odyssey and General Intuition show that building foundational world models is the new capital-intensive frontier in AI. Looking ahead, we're watching for any news on the rumored late-stage growth round for defense AI leader Makina. There are no major tech IPOs on the calendar for this week, but the private markets remain incredibly active. That's all for today's Deal Flow. We'll be back tomorrow afternoon at 3 p.m. Pacific with the next top 10.